Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to unzip files in Google Drive. Now, as you can see here in Google Drive, guys, I have a zip file here. And to unzip this file, it's very easy. You just need to right click on that zip file, go to open with, and you will see a suggested app. So in Google, they're currently suggesting the right type of apps that can help you to get the job done or to view or to do something with the file. In this case, as it says zip file, it is suggesting that I need to use zip extractor. So all you have to do is just select zip extractor here, and it's going to open up the zip extractor information here. Just simple click on consent, and you need to authorize the zip extractor to be able to use this within Google Drive. So simple click on authorize the zip extractor. You'll get a pop-up. You want to select the email address and just simple click on continue. Then you want to go ahead and select these options here. You want to go ahead and give the access, so you can select these and just simple click and continue. Now here you will see that it's currently checking the file in Google Drive, and as you can see, it is currently checking my file here, and once it does the check, it will show what is inside the file. And by default, you will realize that it automatically selects all those files within that file. Now you can pick and choose what you want to extract out of the file by simple unchecking these boxes and select the ones that you wish to, right? But in this case, I want to do all. Now once you select those files that you want to extract, just simple click this blue button on the upper right hand side that says extract the drive. Now once you do that, it's going to currently go through the process of extracting the file, and as you can see, it's complete. And now you can go ahead and view those files in Drive. So click on the blue button, view those files in Drive, and here you can see that the files are extracted, right? And that's it, guys. You can go ahead and you can view those files. You can do whatever you want with these files. If it's additional files such as a doc file, you can view them directly. You can do whatever you want with these files. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.